Hello everyone, I'm Naomi Arongparpi and today we are here for a workshop for training come workshop on Kacharhe and Sere, Seko, Kilip. And what is this? Today we want to know from our um, Deputy Director of Cultural Affairs Development Department, Srimati Rani Terangpi. We want to know what is it about. So if you could help us understand more about this, madam.
I'm going to speak in Garbi, okay? Okay. To nilipan apor nang pipot, chorolo, pinidak, eh, hanu pi amen. Lapang so klap along, itum harmon klap along, itum kasi tong kadoko be pansame, akero pilo pini main ke itum kacharhe. Kacharhe pulite itum karbi, akaya long ke akinang sot binong lasi. Kadoko be stame lapang so kacharhe itum ketek akinang sot kacinya akinang sot pu nilitum mathasi department na hinpen lapang so seke nitum nangwan pilo lasi nang litum kadoko be stame kacharli dun pe meje phansi nilitum nang phan choling lilo pen ladak kitana tum tado resource person tum tado alang litum si kado kabe kopia na tu si kacharli nang kithan nang jima nang litum arjulo polote alang litum nang than poate angkun do kachar hi posa isivet kalide ta potsi la angkung an tame alang litum pensi nang than pon pon lai loin tum nang tum pen akali.
Thank you so much. And today again we have our social worker, Mrs. Sabina Teron Peace with us. So from her we want to know what this Kachare and Sere Seko is about. Let's hear from her.
Kardom kaduka wepat pini ne laso bangso Kacharhe lapen serisiko laso cumangkana putak penang an penia workshop apa ni ngarong pik department na hina tumapan curu reun peneng cetan don depo nili tu hem ta cumangkan doji po mat ni ngarong pik lo lapang so a program nang kibi pot lasi kaduka we pantam chuneng rilo kacharli dun pe meji apan la pen la so kacharli dun pen penenga bang ke kacharli mate kacharli tu long popo chomangkan ta doji apot la puluni homos tie long lo emele hem la se doji po la se kadu ka we rata tum panta la an so se ahir jume nangi pidunji apan la pen an so se kacharli atum sitame la an so se ketek kere ningar lopen sitame ako charju seroi pen tek pa meji pan kusi hin pen chuneng ri dun lo la pen la ansi lam the rip check
Thank you so much, madam.